How to use essential oil. Tea tree. Want to get a glowing and acne-free skin? Use it with a wet cotton swab with 1 to 2 drops of oil. Want a dandruff-free scalp? Put 1 to 2 drops of oil in shampoo before a wash. Also, you can put 1 to 2 drops in your hair oil before applying to get a healthy scalp. It also helps to get rid of skin infections like toe fungus, nail fungus, skin rashes and any such other skin infections. And at last, just a suggestion, always use it by mixing it with something, maybe a carrier oil.